All right, so we are back in Seattle and we are working with some amazing models today. We have this beautiful studio space and there's this mirror over here with this couch that I'm absolutely loving. So we're gonna use it for some reflections for some shots. And I'm going to also be using some things in the foreground like this table and this candle just to kind of frame her a little bit. And so I want to make sure that we're seeing all of her in the reflection and all of her in the couch. So I'm gonna have you bring your hands down to the couch for me. And then let me see how this frame up is. I don't have quite enough booty in this shot, so give me just a minute. I want all the booty, right? The mirror is cutting your booty off.
No,
so it's the mirror, not you. Look down towards your left hand for me. Yep, there you go. Let's actually have you look out this window maybe. There you go, stay right there. So I have a whole bunch of different stuff going on in this shot. If we look at it, yep, chin up a little bit more, eyes closed. Beautiful, so I have her, and then I have her reflection, and then I have a reflection down here. So we've got multiple elements that are just bringing our eye together. And you just gotta watch all of those reflections. And then I want to give a little more depth to this set and to what we're doing. So we have a Nanlite Provo tube here. And so we're able to easily pop light into the set with this guy. So get this turned on, and I think it's already set to blue. So we're gonna throw a little bit of a different color in here just to give us a different look and some more depth to the image than we already have. And then I'm gonna incorporate these lights a little bit too that are up above you. Take one step to your right for me, hun. There we go, perfect. So I just gonna have her framed perfectly in that mirror, so I'm just gonna have her move, and I will edit out the stuff in the reflection and that light later on. Eyes are coming right to me. All right, and then what I'm gonna have you do is turn and face the mirror for me. All right, so when I'm looking at this, if she looks at me through that mirror, then I'm going to be able to see her reflection, and it's gonna be looking like she's looking at me through, like in her reflection. So we're gonna do that, but right now I don't like how your arms, or how you're like straight onto me, so turn your body this way a little bit. Yep, there we go, perfect. Yep, and then let's bring that hand up to your chest, I think. Nope, swap. Yep, there we go, perfect. Able to bring it back just a little bit, chest really big. And then this hand, I need more space between your elbow and your back. Chin up, there you go, right there. So by bringing her chin up in the shot and me being down low in this reflection, it's giving her a really dommy vibe, and I really like that for her, especially in the outfit that she's in. So we're gonna be here, keep those eyes right with me, and then let's get all of those reflections in there. Beautiful, relax, perfect, we got it. By using the Nanlite, I was able to just kind of change up that look. We were able to get some beautiful blue lighting in there, and then we use that reflection to give some more depth. And I haven't really had her move a lot. I could probably get that down to about 5-10 minutes of shooting and get several different looks just from this one little space and minor movements for her.